How's it going, skiers and riders? I'm John, I'm back, and this is your Saturday, November 16th, Wachusett Mountain Snow Report. It's the first Saturday of the season, and we are moving right along. We have 6 trails and 4 lifts going for your early season skiing and riding. Between the groomers and the snowmaking, the mountain is looking great. We also have a few park features set up on Challenger for those of you looking to hit a rail or tap a keg. With the temps in the low 30s and a clear day ahead of us, it is sure to be a great day on the mountain. As always, on top of our skiing and riding, we have plenty of other events coming up. On November 29th, we will have our Hypnotic Hysteria comedy show. Come watch your friends and family get hypnotized and become part of the show. Tickets are on sale now, so check out Wachusett.com for all the details. How you guys liking it today?
Good, it's great.
Yeah, have you been up on Challenger yet?
No.
There's a couple of new features you guys should go hit.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah, alright, have a good one, guys. That's all I have for today. Be sure to check out Wachusett.com and social media for any updates to the mountain you might need to know about. Have a good Saturday, and I'll see you on the slopes.